Ms. McCarthy failed to argue the facts.
He would like to represent himself.
Now, I'm going to be honest, you represent yourself. I'm still moving forward with sentencing this morning.
When this meth trafficking defendant fired his lawyer before sentencing, the judge wasted no time pointing out that this was his third trafficking conviction, putting a life sentence on the table.
All right, let's go ahead. Are we ready for Mr. Hall's sentence? And what are you asking for today?
First and foremost, Your Honor, Ms. McCarthy failed to argue the facts and present the evidence that would prove reasonable doubt in the trial. So the evidence was planted and submitted by producing body cam footage and in trial showing video and audio. She failed to do this. Also violating me by digging in my growing area and all that. So I shared this with her. Told her she didn't present this in trial, even though drugs were planted. I explained to Ms. McCarthy that the FDLE didn't show enough for trafficking. She didn't present that either in court. In trial, also let her know to present that in evidence. No body cam footage. She didn't present none of that.
Your Honor, I watched the video of the trial yesterday again to make sure. I don't feel that I did anything wrong. The meth that was found on him was 14 grams, so there was nothing I could do for that. And as far as them planning it on him, I didn't feel that I could go forward with that.
I'm going to deny your motion this time, Mr. Hall. I'm prepared to go forward with sentencing.
Your Honor, he would like to represent himself.
Now, I'm going to be honest, you represent yourself. I'm still moving forward with sentencing this morning. How far did you get in school?
10th grade.
And you understand that Ms. McCarthy is here to represent your sentencing and to present anything that you'd like for her to present.
So she failed me at that.
Do you wish to still represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll allow you to represent yourself.
Mr. Hall faces 30 years on the trafficking of methamphetamine. However, I have filed the motion for habitual felony offender designation. It shows Mr. Hall's incarceration history with his most recent release from DOC as April 1st, 2024. This particular crime was committed on February 18, 2025, so less than a year after his release from incarceration. Mr. Hall has been sent to prison for trafficking on 2 previous occasions. This is his 3rd trafficking offense. Because of that, I am asking for the enhanced sentence, and I am asking for the maximum life in this particular case.
Life in prison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hall?
Convict me on the trafficking, which is not mere trafficking, is 13.862. It's not trafficking amount. So I'm asking you can we do a time served plea on that? Like you said, I have 520 days jail credit. Also in the FDLE, item number 6, exhibit 12, it says it's not analyzed. That takes it down to 11.860. It's not trafficking.
I am going to designate, based on the information, the evidence presented to the state, I'm going to designate Alfonso Frederick Hall a habitual felony offender. A jury have found you guilty, Mr. Hall. My obligation now to sentence you. You're adjudicated guilty of trafficking methamphetamine. On count 1, trafficking methamphetamine. You're sentenced to a term of life in prison.